Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a safe doc feature that removes the commenting feature completely from the Google Workspace docs editors to prevent your students from chatting during work time. Commenting is an essential feature in cloud-based collaborative apps of G Suite editors. It keeps people informed when someone else makes edits or feedback to a document. However, in schools, some smart students repurpose the comment feature as a convenient messenger. The comment appears in many places like docs, sheets, slides, and drawings. The left side is the student's view without SafeDoc installed, and the right side is the student's view with SafeDoc installed. Adding a comment can be done in Insert Comment menu or the comment icon. As you can see, SafeDoc completely removes the button to comment. The same can be seen with slides. Students can also edit a comment, reply to others' comment, delete a comment, or approve/reject others' comments. Comment also appears in Google Drive file preview. The left side is the teacher's view. The right side is the student's view with SafeDoc enabled. In the comment history dialog, students are not allowed to initiate new comments or reply to others' comments. That said, students still receive comments from the teacher and acknowledge them. This feature is controlled by the block comment code. If you have yet to install SafeDoc, apply a 30 days trial.